Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today, I would like to welcome you all in science class. So, today we will learn about water animals. Okay, children? So, let's see what is the water animals. And water animals are those animals which lives in the water for most of the time, or for their lifetime they lives inside the water. So first one is turtle. Okay, can you see in the picture? This is the turtle. So turtle most of the time he lives in the water, as well as he come on the land. Okay, children? So turtles are very famous for their protective shell. This is their shell, and this is very hard, and they protect their self with this shell. Okay, children? Can you see the shell? This is the shell. They protect themselves. Okay, so they are very slow movements. They walk very slow. They cannot walk very fast. So next one is seal. Can you see in the picture? This one is the seal. Okay, so seal most of the time they lives in the water. They are very friendly, as well as they are very playful. They stays in the water, and sometimes they also come on the land to take the rest. You can see. Okay, see, she is taking rest. Okay, they come to land to take rest, as well as they give birth on the land. Can you see the cute picture? Okay, a seal with her baby. Okay, they give birth on the land, they take rest on the land, but they live in the water. Okay, they are water animals. So next one is dolphin. Can you see in the picture? So this is a cute drawing of dolphin. Dolphins, they look like this only. So dolphin also are water animal. They are very intelligent. They live in the water, as you can see in the picture. They live in the water, and they are very friendly. Okay, they can play with you, and they really don't harm us. Okay, they are very friendly, and they are very playful animal. Okay, dolphins can play. If you teach them, they really can play, and they are very friendly. And as I have told you, they are very intelligent. They can learn very easily. And you know what? One most important thing, that is they breathe. Okay, from where do you breathe? From our mouth, right? But dolphins, they breathe with their blowhole on their top of the head. Can you see a hole on their head? Yes, they breathe with their blowhole, that is on their head. Okay, children, they have a blowhole from where they breathe. Next one is starfish. Okay, so can you count how many arms do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have five arms, and they don't have blood. They don't have blood, and they can live up to 50 years. Okay, children? And don't forget that they are also water animals. We are studying about water animals. Children, let's revise about water animals. Once again, I want to tell you what are the water animals. So, water animals are those animals which lives in the water for most or all of its lifetime. Okay, children? They live in the water for most of the time. Okay, most of the time, and for lifetime. Some water animals, even they don't come on the land. Okay, they most of the time they live in the water or for lifetime. Okay, so those are water animals. Let's see one by one. First one is what? Turtle. 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 So turtle, you can see in the picture, okay? So turtle are very cute animals that are famous for their protective shells, and they are very slow movements, okay children? So turtles, they are very famous for their shell, okay? This is their shell, okay children? So this shell is very hard, and they protect themselves inside this shell, okay? And when they walk, okay, they cannot walk very fast like us. They are very slow in walking. Their movements also are very slow. And turtle, he stays in the water as well as on the land. Next one is seal. 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 So seal, they spend most of the time in the water, okay children? They spend their most of the time in the water, but they also come on the land for some occasion for take rest and give birth, okay children? But most of the time they like to live, or they like to stay in the water, okay children? seal, seal, okay? Next one is what? Dolphin. Can you see? This is a dolphin. So children, they are very highly intelligent animal. What? They are very highly intelligent, okay? If you teach them, they will learn. They are very friendly as well as playful, okay? They can play with us. They are very friendly animals. And as I have told you, how do we breathe? Once again, I want to ask you, how do we breathe? We breathe from our mouth as well as with our nose, right? But dolphins, they really don't breathe with their mouth. They have one blowhole here, okay? Here I have mentioned you in the picture, okay? So they breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head, okay? There is one blowhole, they breathe through that. So dolphins, they live in the water, okay children? Dolphins are water animals. Another one is starfish. So starfish have 5 arms. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starfish have 5 arms, and starfish also, they lives in the water, okay? They are like a star, okay? How? Let's say that we can see stars on the sky, but there is stars on the sea, that is starfish. We can call them sea star, right? They are exactly like a star, okay? So they don't have blood, and they can live up to 50 years, okay? They live up to 50 years. So the spelling of a starfish is STARFISH. 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 DOLPHIN. 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 Seal. 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 And TURTLE. Turtle. So children, today we learned about water animals, okay? Okay children, now you all have to do one thing, okay? If you have any doubts, I have taught you about 4 water animals, okay? Turtle, seal, dolphin and starfish, okay? So if you want to ask anything about them, you can tell me, okay? So means one question you can ask, okay? One if you want to ask, you can ask one question, okay? So let's see, okay children? You can ask me in WhatsApp you can text me in WhatsApp if you want to ask anything about these water animals. 1 2 3 4 water animals. Okay, so water animals are those animals which lives in the water. See, so many animals are there, but we studied about only 4 water animals. Okay children, so your homework is write the name of these 4 animals. Okay, water animals: starfish, dolphin, seal and turtle. Okay, write only these 4 names. Other animals we will learn in next class. I hope you have learned something about these animals. Okay children, thank you children for listening carefully. Have a good day.